Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I will show you guys how to make an app on Google AI Studio, but the app must be read the Excel file. So if you upload your if we begin in and in minds, which means we have to upload the Excel to the AI, and then AI will rectifying it to create the app. But unfortunately the Google AI Studio doesn't accept the Excel. So when we add files, upload files, it doesn't accept XLS file. So unfortunate, but no need to worry, because I've succeeded create an app that could upload Excel when it already works. So this one, no, not that one, this one. Okay, so basically I made the app to analyze my ads on some platform, and I download the file, the statistic, and then I upload it to my web app, and then the web app analyze for me. So wait, so here I have this add XLSX format. So no need to worry, I suggest you no need to build from scratch on this Google AI Studio Chat. Rather than you just go to Gemini, I mean, regular Gemini or ChatGPT or Cloud or anything, and then you add your Excel here, upload files, and then you just upload your Excel here, and then tell Gemini, I want to make an app, like I want to make an app on Google AI Studio that able to read that Excel file. Very simple, because the web app should define any headers on your Excel, so you need to feed them the Excel. But the Google AI Studio doesn't accept it, so we upload our Excel into Gemini, and then Gemini letter 8. Okay, and the final prompt is make me one shot prompt. Okay, this is very important, to make an app to analyze that template or that typical format of Excel. My goals are blah 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 blah. It's up to you, and I suggest you don't make one. You have to discuss first with Gemini or ChatGPT or Cloud, and the final prompt is make one shot prompt. Later on the prompt go back to your Google AI Studio. This is very easy. Rather than upload your Excel, you just paste the prompt over here. So that's my tips how to make an Excel upload on Google AI Studio apps. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.